Lok Sabha 2024 elections have been announced in the state of Maharashtra, parallelly, the issue of Maratha quota is again knocking on the doors of Maharashtra government. Manoj Jarange Patil, who's been the one who spearheaded the Maratha movement in the state since last year onwards, has again started a fast unto death at Andarli Saravati area, wherein he said that because there was earlier demand that was put forth to include Marathas under OBC has not yet been fulfilled, which is why he'll have a fast unto death. However, the local police had not denied him permission, stating that there was opposition from the villagers on the grounds that this would create communal disharmony. But despite that, the fast unto death has already begun at Andarli Saravati area. In fact, this development comes in even as Manoj Jarange Patil had mentioned that if his demand is not fulfilled, he will field candidates for all 288 seats of Maharashtra State Assembly. In fact, when you speak of the whole political developments in Marathwada, the whole Maratha stir has impacted the chances of BJP winning in that area. Of the 8 seats in Marathwada, 7 have been won by the Mahavikas Aghadi. Main one being that of Pankaja Munde. Pankaja Munde was replaced with Pritam Munde on the grounds that she'd be a strong candidate for Bajrang Sonavne, who was contesting from NCP Sharad Pawar faction. But here, the main reason for Pankaja's defeat could be the fact that the Maratha protest had taken over the entire of Marathwada, and which is where we'd seen that Pankaja Munde had lost with just approximately 70,000 votes in Beed. All of this comes in as we'd seen that in the earlier past as well, Manoj Jarange Patil had extended support to Prakash Ambedkar's party for the Lok Sabha election. All this while, Marathas have been demanding that they want an OBC status after the stir had reached all the way until Mumbai. In fact, at Navi Mumbai was where, just ahead of January 26th, was where lakhs of protesters would come all the way, walking 400 kilometers from Jalna. There was almost a month-long protest that had begun from Jalna, which is 400 kilometers away from Mumbai. It had headed towards Mumbai. It was supposed to go in towards Azad Maidan in Mumbai and then make the representation before Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister. But just before the protest could reach on Jan 26 to Mumbai was where they were stopped at Navi Mumbai. An assurance was given to them by the Chief Minister then. He said that he will implement the reservation process for Marathas. In fact, a bill was also introduced in the Maharashtra Assembly that seeking reservation for economically and socially backward classes. However, as of now, the bill has been introduced. The other process also is at High Court. There is a petition filed at High Court seeking a stay on 10% reservation. That's also something that is in process. On June 13th is where the next hearing will take place. Amidst all of this, considering there is a development on the level of judiciary as well as legislature, which is where stating that the demands have not been fulfilled, is where Manoj Jarange Patil has again gone on for his fast unto death, demanding the reservation for Marathas.